Good afternoon, second grade. I am going to share what you're going to be doing for your lesson today. We're going to be doing some very basic illustrations for some stories, and we're going to use this program called AutoDraw. And so once it's time, Mrs. Rothschild will tell you to go to autodraw.com, and it looks just like this. So you will have to first read your story. So mine is a story about Lily who visits a water park, and she likes to eat hamburgers, and there's some other things, but that's just kind of a brief overview to kind of start my story. So first I would absolutely want to draw my character. My character for my story is Lily, and so I am just going to begin drawing here. And so what I really like about this is I can decide, do I think my drawing of Lily is super awesome? Or, let's see if I give her some curly hair maybe. Or, do I want to use one of the AutoDraw drawings? And it just is trying to predict, like, what are you trying to draw? So you may or may not get it. I might have to erase some by just clicking the undo. But let's say I'm like, let's just use this. And then if somebody was just looking at that, maybe like, what is that? To me, this is Lily with her crazy curly hair. So underneath it, I might label it Lily. Okay, and then it talked about she liked cheeseburgers. So then I would be over here seeing about drawing my cheeseburger. Now, obviously, if I wanted different colors, right? If I wanted to make my bun yellow, or I guess it's going to make everything yellow, right? I'm drawing this, and I'm looking up here, and it's like, ooh, I think this looks like a cheeseburger. Okay, and so there we go. So you might get through several stories, you might just get through one story, but we're really just practicing kind of these drawing skills. Like I said, you can use what you draw. I'm sure some of you are going to do really fantastic at freehand drawing, and some of you might want to choose the AutoDraw. If you do get to do more than one story, this will be saved in your Google, but then I would come up to the 3 lines and say that I want to start over and just choose this first size for our canvas. So I hope you enjoy this, and I can't wait to see what you come up with.